In this video, I will show you how to see who viewed your threads on the Threads app. Let's have a look, then. Activate your Threads account. If you do not have any, on an Android smartphone, download the app from the Google Play Store, then create an account. If you have an iPhone, you must go to the App Store. Due to its intimate ties to the Meta platform Instagram, Threads requires users to log into both services using the same account. I'll demonstrate the quickest method to see who viewed your thread on the Threads app. Simply open your Threads account. Then click the arrow in the lower right corner of the page to access your profile. Your posted threads will be shown. As this account is only for you guys to let you know the uses of Threads, so I have posted only one thread. As you can see at the bottom of the thread, I have received a like and a comment. But as you go to the main page and open random threads, this post has 700 likes and 10 replies. Scroll down. It's important to notice that not everyone likes or replies to threads. Until now, Threads haven't shown any policy in which it can be seen how many people have viewed your threads. So no one can see how many views I have on those threads, but it can be estimated by likes and comments. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.